Imagine attending a 1 hour lecture and getting perfect notes automatically without writing a single word. Yes, AI tools can now record, transcribe, summarize, and even create flashcards from any lecture or class. So in today's video, I'm showing you the best AI tools that take lecture notes for you automatically with demos, features, and which one you should use. If you're a student, self-learner, or preparing for exams, you know how hard it is to listen, understand, and take notes at the same time. These AI tools remove the workload. They convert lectures into clean, organized notes so you can focus on learning. 2. Sambly AI. This one is amazing for online classes. It can auto-join your Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams lecture, record everything, and generate full transcripts and clean notes. The feature includes auto-join your lectures, accurate transcription, clean bullet point notes, speaker identification, and export to PDF, Word, or Notion. So, Sambly is perfect if your classes are online because it joins automatically and takes notes while you focus on the lecture. Number 2. Screen App AI. This tool is super useful if you watch recorded classes, online courses, or YouTube lectures. You simply upload the video and Screen App converts it to transcript, summary, and even flashcards. Feature includes uploading of the video and get the notes, get the flashcards, topic highlights, and timestamp notes. This is perfect for exam revision because it breaks long lectures into small digestible chunks. Number 3. Note. Note is student-friendly, super fast, and ideal for making study notes. Just upload your class recording or lecture video, and it generates structured notes in just 30 seconds. The feature includes the fastest AI notes and it's clean study notes, auto flashcards, and great for students. This is the easiest tool for students who want ready-to-study notes instantly. 4. MindGrasp. MindGrasp is like an all-in-one study machine. Upload anything like lecture videos, PDF, audio slides, and it just creates notes, summaries, flashcards, and even quizzes. The features include supports its videos, audio, PDFs. It creates notes, summaries, and quizzes. It's best for exam preparation and very accurate outputs. This one is amazing for learners who want deeper understanding and want to create revision material automatically. Oh, and finally, the Atlas Note Taker. This one gives the most human-like, neat, polished notes. After generation, you can edit, organize, and structure them easily. The features include its polished notes, easy editing, and it's great for long lectures. And so which tool should you pick? Say it depends on your need. So use Sambly for online classes, Screen App for YouTube lectures, Note for fast study notes, and MindGrasp if you want everything like notes, summaries, flashcards, and quizzes. That's it. AI can now take your lecture notes better and faster than you can. So if you want more AI tools for students, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.